Looking at the companies module, you can see lots of examples of different field types you have available. For example, text fields on the company name or the address fields. We've also got pick list fields. We've got user lookup fields. You've got URL fields. Lots of different field types available. Some bits of information are more important than others, so they're positioned at the top of the screen. Other details are only needed from time to time, so they're hidden by default and can be then expanded when required. In addition to the standard fields, you can add as many custom fields as you like. As an example, let's add a pick list field into the companies module called sales territory. Your system admins and configurators can do this by going to the settings area of the system, and under the studio header, select custom field settings, and then select company fields, and then new custom field. Use the left hand menu to pick the field type. I'm going to select pick list. On the right hand side, give the field an appropriate label. I recommend you add an entry that serves as a blank value at the top of the pick list field, so that the record will default to this rather than the first proper value that you've got in your list. Once this is done, head back to settings, and we're going to go to the screen design area. This is where you can rearrange the fields, either the pre-existing ones or the field you've just created. I'm going to move my sales territory field into the top block underneath the subscriptions field by adjusting the block and sequence numbers, and I'm also going to make the field mandatory. As you can see, it's moved sales territory into the top block. So now if we look at the companies module, we can see the new sales territories field positioned where I want it. And you will not be able to save this company record without filling in this field, as I've made it mandatory. Don't forget that none value acts as a blank entry. So now if we populate that sales territory field, we'll be able to save the record. If you want to hide some fields, this can be done by going to Settings, Default Organization Field Access, then select the relevant module and hit Edit. So we are going to hide the subscription field. So now if we hop back to a company record, you can see the subscriptions field has now disappeared. As well as using screen design to change the order of the fields, you can also use layouts. If there are any layouts already configured, then you can use the Layouts selector in the top right hand corner to switch between the different layouts available. As you can see, this alters the design of the screen and visibility of the fields. In order to edit this, go to Settings, then Studio, then click on Layout Settings, and then select to edit the company layouts. I'm going to edit the marketing and events layout. So from here, I can drag and drop my sales territories field into the company information block, and when I'm done, hit Save. And if I now look at a company record using the marketing layout, then we can see we've added the sales territory field as I've specified. Thanks for watching another Tuesday tip, and keep coming back for more hints and guides to help you get the most out of your OpenCRM.